This quick tutorial is going to show you a fast and easy way to remove a green screen background with the Alt key in Premiere Pro. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. Make sure you have all of your footage loaded into the project and into the timeline. Select the footage with the green screen from your timeline and then go to your effects menu at the top. You can type Alt key into the search box to quickly locate this effect or navigate to the video effects drop-down menu, and it is going to be in the keying menu folder. Click and drag this Alt key onto the footage in your timeline and you will see that it is now loaded onto your selected footage and visible in your effects control menu located on the left side here. Go ahead and scroll down to it and select the eyedropper tool and use this to select the green screen from your preview box, and voila, the green screen will now be removed from view. You don't have to mask anything with this effect, and you don't have to wait for it to be applied to every keyframe. It'll apply its effects automatically to the selected color in your entire footage. Since it works off of color selection, if you needed to keep this green in your footage, just use a different background color to have it mask out and you're good to go. If you wanted this to apply its effects for only part of the footage, you can just go into your timeline at the bottom and press C on your keyboard to trigger the razor tool and cut your footage where you want this effect to end. Or if you needed to add another shade or color to mask out, you can just add another Alt key the same way I just showed you and select this additional color for it to remove. Personally, this is how I go about green screening a lot of effects in my animations, and what I do to my VTuber avatar in every video that he's included in, since he has to be recorded separately from the footage so I can edit, sync, and retime the dialogue with what's being shown on screen. I find this key incredibly easy to use and incredibly helpful, so I thought I'd share. That's it for this one. Later.